nako, uumpisahan natin ang buwan ng September.
Baklang-baklay.
Sa pagkanta ng Christmas song. Sasabayin nyo kami, ha? Di ba? Oo, nandito na. Nandun na naman si Jose Marizian. Kung saan-saan na naman natin si Mama.
Pero pinaka-favorite ko yung dalawa.
Alam mo ang ibang pangalan ni Jose Marizian?
Ano?
Jose Maribuksit.
Sa'yo?
Oo. Kamag-alak niya si Kwan, Jackie Buksit. Oo, yun nga, si Jackie Buksit.
Iba talaga kayo.
Siya, sige, dahil dyan, samahan nyo kaming kumanta ng favorite song ng pangkalahatan.
Ano ito?
Christmas in Our Hearts by Jose Maribuksit. Dito sa ating Kantagahan. Let's go, let's go! May favorite natin to.
Oo.
Whenever I see girls and boys setting lanterns on the streets, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like the starlight on the first Christmas morn lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing a Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy together now. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Our hearts. Our hearts. The Christmas in our hearts. Yeah. Yan talaga. Bea Butchog. Version. Ay, nako mga ka-MB. Merry Christmas to each and every one of us. We believe in the saying, if Burr comes, that's Christmas. Lalo na dito sa Philippines.
Tayo lang ang may pinakamahabang Christmas season.
Yes, September 1 hanggang February.
Ayun, hanggang ang January.
Actually, mag-change na lang yan kapag Hearts Day na eh.
Oo.
Di ba?
Kapag
Parang,
January, andyan pa yung yung mga malamig na macaroni, yung 3 linggo na.
Yes.
Diba?
Meron ka na ba? Meron na ba kayong mga decorations?
Nag-start na kami from dun sa isang bahay.
Oo.
Tapos,
May gamit kayong tinsels? Gumamit kayo ng tinsels?
yung lang, mga Christmas tree, tapos naglagay-lagay na kami ng Christmas
Walang
lights.
tinsels sa Christmas tree nyo?
Wala pa. Pero soonest, mag-order muna ako. Teka lang.
Ako din, favorite kang tinsel. Alam mo kung anong tinsels?
What's that?
Yan yung pinag-drawing.
No, that's pencils.
Oh, sorry.
Totoo.
Walang-wali talaga ako. Ngayon, kinain na nilamon ng whale shark ang utak ko talaga.
Totoo. Very excited. Ito ang pinaka-favorite season ko talaga.
Ako hindi.
Ba? Anong favorite season mo? Nor? Ay, mali.
Halakata.
Halaka,
Hindi
sorry
ako ang
po.
favorite
No,
na season
sabi
ko
ko
kasi
yun.
talaga yung Halloween.
Ay, Halloween, cause?
Ha?
Ganun ba yun? Ay,
Oo.
diba? Nag-ano ka pa pala
Hindi,
doon?
mahilig kasi ako mag-costume.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sa Christmas, you can do that naman.
Oh, di ba? Si Sir Leo, bumanat na naman. Di ba? Gigigil ako.
Uy, totoo yun. Masaya. Masaya lahat ng season.
Oo,
Masaya.
masaya lahat ng season. Basta ang favorite ko talaga, yung binanggit mo.
Totoo yun.
Anyway,